Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to an episode of Life Made Easy. And today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your Fortnite Epic Games display name on Xbox One. Let's hop right into it.
Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
To this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified exactly when I upload, and comment down below. And now let's get into the video. Okay, so just some background information before I get into actually showing you guys what to do. Your Epic Games display name is always going to be tied to your account. So you can't just change your display name on the Epic Games website and expect your name to change on Xbox One. I'm sure many of you tried this and noticed that it's just showing up with your gamer tag, and so that's going to be the main point of this video, is that your gamer tag dictates your display name on Xbox One, not your actual Epic Names display name. That's a whole separate video I already did for how to change it on PC, so if you guys want to check that video out, I'll probably put a card or something if you guys want to know how to change your display name on PC. But for this video, it's just going to be Xbox One. So I'm now going to switch over to a screencast of Epic Games' website, and I'll show you what to do. Today's shout out is going to be going to Dally Croissant Girl. She currently has 2 subscribers and 2 uploads. She has no about page. I'd like to see what she's about, but episode 2 made my dream, and my me dream I'm so low. So let me just check this out real quick, and then we'll hop into the video. Okay, I don't really know what this is. I don't really know what that is, but yeah, guys, go check out her channel. Make sure to subscribe to her and show some support. And if you want to be featured on the channel and get a free shout out, just hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications, and comment that you did in the comment section below. And now let's get into the video. Okay, guys, so once you make your way over to Epic Games' website, you're gonna want to click on your account, and you're gonna want to scroll down to the setting right here that says connected accounts. It's going to show all these different connected accounts which you can use in order to play Fortnite. They got PlayStation, they got Xbox, they got Nintendo Switch. I don't know why they have Twitch on here. I don't know what GitHub is. I have no idea what that is, but as you can see, I'm currently connected to my Xbox account, Baseball Batter 1. If you guys want to add me, by the way, you can. I don't have a PlayStation, so I can't really work on that. So basically what you want to do is you're going to click disconnect, and as I said earlier, this is all through your Xbox Live account, or just Xbox account. I mean, you do need Xbox Live to play Fortnite. I have a whole different video on that, but that's besides the point. So basically the main thing I'm going to be telling you is that in order to change your name on Xbox One, you're going to have to create a separate Xbox account, separate like Microsoft account, and basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna come on here, you're gonna disconnect this. I'm not gonna actually do it, but you're gonna check these boxes. I know this looks scary, like it's gonna delete all your current Epic Games content, like all your skins and stuff. It's not going to. It's just basically transferring it to a separate account, and nothing will be lost. I'm not going to do it, but basically what you do is you click unlink. It's going to unlink you from that account, that Xbox Live account, and you're going to sign in to your new one. So that's basically it, guys. This is very straightforward. There's not much that goes along with this. All you have to do is basically go create a new Xbox Live account. I'll probably just show you quickly how to do that after this, but yeah, create your new Xbox Live account, come here under connected accounts, disconnect it, and just connect it to your new one. Go on your Xbox, sign into your new account, and basically when you load up Fortnite, your display name will be changed to whatever your name is, your new gamer tag is that you decided when you created your new Xbox account. So if that sounds confusing, I'm sorry, but that's basically what it is. I'm trying to explain this as simply as possible. Create a new Microsoft or Xbox account, same thing. Disconnect it here, sign into the new one, load up your Xbox afterwards, and your name, your display name will be changed to whatever your new gamer tag is and what you select when you're creating that account. Your display name on here is not going to be the same. That's just like strictly for PC. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to change your display name for PC, I got another video on that. That's basically going to be it for this video, guys, and I'll quickly show you just the website on how to change your or create a new account. Okay, guys, so this is basically. Oh, let me just load that up. This is basically what you're going to go to. You're going to go to Xbox's main account or main website, and then basically you're just going to click. Let me just go back real quick. You're going to go here, go to this website I'm on right now, xbox.com US/live, and you basically want to just click create account, create your account, enter your gamer tag. That's going to be your new display name on your Xbox One, just to reiterate. And yeah, that's basically how you can change your name. You just have to create a separate account and log in on Epic Games' website. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something new. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe, turn notifications for a shout out. Yeah, go follow me on Instagram, go check out my merch, and I'll see you guys next one. Peace.